Missed our newest live session? No problem. Designing Futuristic visuals has just been fully updated with a new Director's Cut edition. That means you can learn along with designer Toros Kosa and build your newest concept, all at your own pace. This session was already jam-packed with knowledge, following Toros as he came up with an original concept, designed its hero visuals, utilized compelling typography, and finally set everything to animation. Among the many incredible lessons in this session, one of the most valuable is that you'll learn to let go of your creative hang-ups and allow your true inner vision to really shine. Perks in our new Director's Cut include an updated lesson structure, brand new additional homework assignments, higher quality recordings, over 4 hours of unedited process videos, and more. This is now the definitive way to experience Toros' Learn Squared session. So sign up today and begin your journey at learnsquared.com.